Netflix movie website. Here are the drinks that you can choose. Lemon iced tea, peach iced tea, fresh cream soda. Which drink do you want?
Oh, the lemon, please. Just the lemon, sorry, yeah. Lemon.
Yes, okay.
Nice.
Here are the movie choices for this age group. Boss Baby Minions. Which movie would
Spider-Man for me.
Okay. Out of the cart. Here are the movie foods you can eat.
Oh, what do I like to eat? Gummies.
Popcorn or gummies?
Yeah.
What food would you like?
Gummies are fine. Those are like the wine gums kind of thing, are they?
Added to carts. No, they're like the.
Oh, I know what you mean. Yeah, the bear ones, right? Yeah.
No. Sour Patch Kids.
Okay, cool.
Here, I'll just let it. Okay. That's the end.
Good.
On there.
Okay, please enter your age, 12. Here are the options. Boss Baby, Minions, Spider-Man. Let me do Minions this time. Any food? Yes, I'd like, what is it? What are my choices? Like popcorn? Or yes, okay, yeah. And let me see, popcorn, caramel, candy. Let me do the candy option. So look at this here, all the code. They were doing a challenge, which is to create a code or a program here for choosing what movie and what you want to choose in terms of, you know, whether it's going to be pizza or ice cream or orange juice and all that stuff. What a great job.